Hello guys. For today's video, I am going to show you how to integrate Storybook with Sveltekit, but before anything else, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite terminal and go to the folder where you want to create the project. In my case, I am going to create it in my projects directory. Then, type in npm, then create SVELTE, then the name of the project. In this case, I will name it My App. Go inside the My App folder, then type in npm install. Now, after setting up the Sveltekit project, let's go ahead and install the Storybook. We can do that by typing npxsb at next init. As you can notice, we're using the next version, which is the latest version of Storybook that is compatible to Sveltekit to date. Then, open up the project on VS Code and edit the file, svelte.config.js. Then type in the following. Then after that, open up your terminal, then type in npm run Storybook. Now you are done. Congratulations! You just learned how to set up Storybook on Sveltekit. So subscribe to my channel, go away and do something productive in your life.